Hello, dear students, and welcome back. Before going into learning more about commands, there are a few things I want you to be comfortable with. So this will make your life easier when dealing with the command line. And these are few shortcuts that are you going to use. So it will make writing commands and dealing with them, dealing with the command line so much easy. So let me here first type few commands and don't worry about them. I am just adding them here for the things I want to show you. All right. So I will do nmap localhost and let's see this one and then clear. All right. So the first shortcut I want you to be aware of is the up and down arrow keys. So if you press the up arrow key, you will be going through the latest commands. So when you type commands, all these commands will be saved into a history file, a file called history. So when you need them, you can find them very quickly. So if you use arrow key, you will get these commands and you will get them in the order you used them. So as you can see here, so you find all of them. Even if you close the command line here, they will be saved forever unless you delete them, and we'll learn about that and the importance of that. Since you are an ethical hacker, you don't want to leave a trace, right? So you should delete them at some point anyway. But as you can see, up arrow key, you will go through them, and also the down arrow key. So this will make your life easy. This is the first one. All right. Now let me get this one here a little bit lengthy. Now, if let's say I am here and I want to go to the back, I can use left and right arrow keys, but this will take some time, as you can see. So how can I jump quickly to the beginning of this command? Just type Control A and you will jump straight to the beginning. And if you are at the beginning and you want to jump to the end, type Control E and you will be at the end very, very quickly. How about if you want to jump one word at a time, right? So if you want that, just use Control and left arrow. As you can see here, you will be jumping one word, or the right arrow, depending on where you are and where you want to go. So Control, left and right arrows. So you can jump easily between words. Because when we learn about this command line and become advanced user with it, you will have commands that are very, very long, and these will make your life easier when you want to deal with them, modify them. Maybe you just type a command and this command have a typo, you want to fix it, so you can jump quickly to that specific word and fix it. All right. Now assume you are here and you want to delete this localhost and put something else. You can use the delete function, as you can see here, if you are at the beginning, and if you are at the end, you can use backspace. All right. And one thing I want to show you, if you type nmap, you can see command line will highlight the last command you used, similar to this one. So if you want to use this, instead of keep typing it, just use the right arrow and it will auto-complete that for you as this. So this is very awesome. All right. Now, what if I want to delete this word very quickly, right? So if I am here and instead of deleting everything, so let me use Control left, come very quickly here, and I want to delete this. Very easy, just use Control K and it will delete that. Now let me get this back. And if I am at the end, I want to delete everything, Control U, and it will delete everything for you. Very, very awesome. Now, what if I want, so unmap, then right arrow, so get this whole complete command here. What if I want to copy this? Control Shift C. All right, now let me delete it. Control U. Now Control Shift V, and I get nothing. Why is that? Because I want to copy this, right? So with my mouse, I can highlight that. All right, and then right click, copy selection. I can copy that. Now this is for when I want to paste something to the command line. I cannot copy using Control C, because Control C in command line will cancel any command you are running at this time. So you need to use Control Shift C, and to paste use Control Shift V, and here is our command. So Control Shift copy will copy this, right? And Control Shift V will paste. All right. So I will use Control U to delete everything here. Now, if I want to search for commands, I have previously used Control R, and now you can see it will tell you back search. So BCK means back search. You are searching back in the commands history. So if I type nmap, all right, and hit enter, I get nothing. Actually, let me just repeat that. Control R, back search. Let's type clear, and now you can see here I have the command. If I type nmap, you can see I am having the command right here. All right, so I want to use this, hit enter and have the command. Or I can, let me do that one more time, type nmap here and use the right arrow, and now I have the command. All right, and I can use it. Clear, the clear command will clear your command line as this, so you can start fresh. All right, very, very awesome to use. Now if I run this nmap, and I want to run this, don't worry about nmap, there's actually a dedicated section about nmap. So I will type nmap scan 192.168.0.1. yeah, so this will take some time. Actually, it's very, very fast. Let's make it very slow here. So I will add T0 because I want to show you something. Now it's running very, very slow. At some point, maybe I decided I don't want to make this command keep running here. I want to cancel this. Control C will cancel. All right. If the command is multi-threading, so doing multiple processes at the same time, Control C will delete the currently active process, but some other process may be still running. So you need to use Control C multiple times to kill all these running processes. I think that's all I want to show you here, guys. Yeah, no, there's one last thing I want to show you before ending this. If I want to list something inside a folder, right? Nmap, not nmap, Linux command line have a nice feature called auto completion. So file paths in Linux start with this root directory. Now if I type this, then I hit on tab, all right, it will try to auto complete for me. Now you can see it will show me these different options that I can use. Now here you can see I have these different folders and libraries. So let's try home. Type just H and then hit tab, and you can see since the home directory is the only file that contains H at the beginning, it will type that for me. Now I can type tab again, and it will autocomplete with Kali. And the reason for that, Kali is the only folder inside the home folder. So since it's the only one, it will print that for me. Now, if I also type tab, you can see here I have now different folders. Some of them start with letter D, 1, 2, 3. So let me type capital D, and remember this, the Linux command line is case sensitive, so you need to be aware of that. Now D, I hit tab, now I get these three options that start with D. Now we have desktop, document, downloads. Now both of these, the second letter is O, so let me put O, hit tab, and I have documents and downloads. If I add C, now C is different, so it will type or get me the documents automatically. Now let's do that and see that very, very quickly here. So I will add this H, tab, DO, documents, download. So, and now you can see I am there very quickly. I hit enter and I get no output because this folder have no files or directory inside of it. How awesome is that? So I will end here. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.